Oncology clinical trials key aspects. Introduction. Oncology in clinical trials refers to the specialized branch of clinical research focused on the development and testing of new treatments, therapies, and diagnostic tools for cancer. This area of research is critical for advancing medical knowledge and improving outcomes for cancer patients. Oncology clinical trials are designed to assess the safety, efficacy, and optimal use of novel interventions, which may include drugs, biological products, vaccines, medical devices, or combinations of these. Key aspects of oncology clinical trials. Now, the first is a phase 1 clinical trial. Now, these trials primarily assess the safety of a new treatment. They involve a specific small number of participants and aim to determine the appropriate dosage and identify side effects. Now, the phase 2 trial focuses on evaluating the efficacy of the treatment. It involves more participants and aims to gather preliminary data on whether the treatment works in people who have a certain type of cancer. Phase 3 trials they are usually used to compare the new treatment to the current standard of care. They involve large number of participants and aim to confirm the treatment's effectiveness, monitor side effects, and collect information that will allow the treatment to be used safely. Phase 4 are the post-marketing studies that collect additional information on the treatment's risk, benefits, and optimal use in the general population after it has been approved for use. Types of oncology clinical trials. Now, the first is the prevention trials. Now, these trials look for ways to reduce the risk of developing cancer, often involving lifestyle changes, medications, or vaccines. Screening tests are those trials which are used to test new methods for detecting cancer early, which can lead to better outcomes. Diagnostic trials. Now, these trials study new tests or procedures for diagnosing cancer more accurately. Treatment trials, the most common type. These trials test new treatments or combinations of treatments. Quality of life trials. These trials explore ways to improve comfort and quality of life for cancer patients. Key aspects of oncology clinical trials. Now, the participant selection. Clinical trials have specific inclusion and exclusion criteria to ensure the safety of participants and the integrity of data collected. These criteria may be based on factors such as type and stage of cancer, previous treatments, age, and overall health. Endpoints and outcomes. Primary endpoints in oncology trials often include survival rates, tumor response rates, and progression-free survival. Secondary endpoints might include quality of life, side effects, and biomarker studies. Ethical considerations. Oncology clinical trials must adhere to strict ethical standards to protect participants. This includes obtaining informed consent, ensuring patient safety, and conducting the trials under the oversight of institutional review boards or ethics committee. Collaborative efforts. Oncology trials often involve collaboration between academic institutions, hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and government agencies. These collaborative approach helps to pool resources and expertise, facilitating more comprehensive and rigorous studies. Conclusion. By conducting oncology clinical trials, researchers can develop better treatments, improve patient outcomes, and ultimately make progress towards curing various types of cancer. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a feedback comment mentioning any topic that you want me to make a video. Looking forward for a positive response. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.